Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic equation, specifically an exponential equation, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So in question 1.1.4, they've given us 5 to the 2x minus 1 over 5 to the x plus 1 equals 4. Now there's a couple of ways we could do this. We could try and clear out this denominator by multiplying both sides by that denominator. But there is an easier way, and it all comes from spotting something very important. Now, if we look at the top, do we notice that we've got a perfect square over here, and we've got a perfect square over here, and the two are subtracting each other? That is very important, because it means we can open up our two brackets. We can have a plus and a minus. In the first bracket, we have 5x. In the second bracket, we have 5x. Then we have 1 and 1, and that's all over 5 to the x plus 1 equals 4. Now what's very nice about that is we can automatically cancel out those two brackets, and all we are left with is 5x minus 1 equals 4. When we carry that 1 across, we're left with 5 to the x, which is equal to 5, and therefore x must equal 1. How quick and easy was that the minute we spotted that little trick? Very, very important to do all the past paper practice so that you can spot these tricks when they are needed. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website to find more of these epic tutorial videos. And if you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.